Next up, let's add some windows to the side of our house. First though, let's set up some guidelines for where we want to place these windows. And to do that, we'll use the tape measure tool. Press T on your keyboard for the tape measure tool. And you'll notice that by default it has a little plus symbol next to it. That's going to allow us to add some guidelines. So first off, hover over anywhere along the bottom edge, click once and let go of your mouse, then move your mouse up in the blue direction. You notice you're moving a horizontal guideline up in the blue direction. Type 36 on your keyboard and hit the return key. That will set a guideline 36 inches up off of the ground. Then hover over the right vertical edge and click once on it and move in the red direction. And for this one, let's type 24 and hit enter for a 24-inch guideline from the vertical edge there. We'll also need one over on the left side, so let's also hover along. Don't hover over the intersection of the guideline. You want to hover over along the edge. Click, move in the red direction and type 24 and hit enter.